Hey guys, it's Emily. I am the co-founder of Pretty Makeup, and I will be doing a makeup tutorial using the Pretty Romance Palette. I will also be applying the Pretty Lust Blush, Ultimate Volume Mascara, and Bebe Lipstick. So this is the Romance Palette. This is our best-selling palette, and it is valued at $30. Just like the rest of our products, they are paraben-free, cruelty-free, made in the USA, and contain the Calendula officinalis flower oil in them, which hydrates and tightens your skin. It's amazing. I've already applied my face makeup, and I'm going to start with a round fluffy brush and go in with this color on my crease. Our palettes are highly pigmented, so just be aware of that when you're applying a color to your brush. I love this palette because it can be used as an everyday look or a glam look because of the range of pinks in it. This shade in particular is my favorite because it can be used just on the lid by itself with mascara. So the crease is done. Next, I will be using an angled fluffy brush, and I will go in with our darkest shade. It's like a dark purpley brown color. It's beautiful. And I like to do an angled brush because I like to bring it from my outer crease down to my lower lid. Again, very highly pigmented, so just be careful with how much you apply to your brush. Sort of just like patting it into the corner. And then I'm gonna go back in with the round fluffy brush that I used for this color and just kind of blend it in to the crease. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this color, and I'm just gonna use my finger and pat it onto my lid. Love the shimmer in this, it's so pretty. This would also be a great color just to apply to your lid on its own, to use as an everyday color. So pigmented. Okay, so next I will be applying the lightest shimmer color to my brow bone. I like to always start in the corner because when the light hits you there, it shows the most. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Perfect, okay. I love to use this specific color under my eye because it kind of works as an under eye eyeliner because of how dark it is, but it's also not too dark, so it's very easy to work with and blendable. Then we will go back in with this color one more time, and I like to put it on my tear duct. This is a flat, fluffy brush. It's just more to pat it into the corner. Okay, and this is the look with the Pretty Romance Palette. Like I said, it's 5-shade eyeshadow palette. $30 on mpretty.com. So next we will be using the Pretty Ultimate Volume Mascara, which is valued at $20 on mpretty.com. I love this mascara so much. It doesn't get clumpy at all, and it really extends your lashes. That's just from one application. Love this mascara. It's not too heavy, so like it's literally perfect for an everyday mascara. And it also contains the Calendula officinalis flower oil in it, so it is hydrating your lashes. So this is the I'm Pretty mascara. It has natural fibers in it to extend your lashes, and this is my favorite mascara I have ever used. We spent so much time formulating it, and I think it is perfect now, so I hope you guys love it. Next up, we have the I'm Pretty Lust Blush, and this blush is valued at $25 and can also be purchased at mpretty.com. So I will be going in with a fluffy round brush, and our blushes are also very pigmented, so don't overdo it at first. I'm just gonna tap into the blush a little bit. And it's just so pretty. I recommend a brush similar to this because it makes it very easy just to simply blend out on the cheeks. I like to put some on my nose and then some here. Basically where I contour, I just like to do a little bit of blush. Okay, so again, this is the Lust Blush and it is $25. I just applied the I'm Pretty Bebe lipstick to my lips, and just like the rest of our products, this lipstick contains Calendula officinalis flower oil in it. So it'll hydrate your lips, it'll tighten your lips, and it'll make your lips feel so smooth, and it won't slide off your lips. It stays in place, and it is a highly pigmented lipstick. So this is Bebe. And I just wanted to show you guys two other lipsticks that I think would go great with the Romance Palette and Lust Blush. So this is Bella. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Bella is our top selling lipstick right now. And it's like a light pinky cream color. So that's Bella. Bella goes beautiful with the Romance Palette. As you can see on our Instagram, we have a bunch of pictures of models using the Romance Palette with Bella, Bebe, and then this is the final color I'm going to show you, and this is Love. It's a rough swatch, but so this is Love. I think Love also goes beautifully with the Romance Palette, so those are my recommendations. Just to recap, I did the Romance Palette on my eyes. I applied the Ultimate Volume Mascara to my eyelashes. I'm wearing the Lust Blush and the Bebe lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more content from us, you can follow us on Instagram at mprettymakeup, and you can visit our website at mpretty.com. Protect your pretty with mpretty makeup. Love you guys.